Example 2. The first term of a geometric series is 54. The constant ratio is 1/3. Determine the number of terms which will yield a sum of 80. Solution. We need to determine n. Recall the formula for the geometric series. Substituting the given values, we get. Rearranging and simplifying, we get. Note that 81 can also be written as 3 to the power 4. By rewriting the right-hand side, we equate the bases and compare the exponents. Therefore, n equals 4.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.